fan with a jump rope and spin around on it.
Like a fidget spinner.
Oh no.
Wait. Abdul, you will tie yourself to the bed, ass facing towards the ceiling, and we'll switch the ceiling fan on. Requires a third person. That party will then leave the room, and the fan will spin. Eventually, the fan will collapse with my weight, and I will come crashing down upon you, inserting my
Oh god.
things into your
My
things.
Into your things.
The wonderful sensation of me being tied up with the fan and you being tied to the bed is what makes the spinning jackhammer
I'm bored.
erotic
I'm
and
bored.
successful.